Nazi peg, all right?
Today we're about to play miniature golf for the rematch from 2 years ago.
His ass.
Was it 2 years ago? It was like 18 months ago. I beat her in miniature golf, and yeah, I got like 6 hole-in-ones. Now we're at my home course here in Middleton.
You got 6 home runs?
No, 6 hole-in-ones.
Oh.
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 Sue's almost got in a fight with a dangerous family who was yelling at us at the other time, and that was our excuse.
But they were fighting with a different family.
Yeah.
And I just said, I just want to play putt-putt.
Like a lunatic. I'm gonna beat her again today.
I'm beating you
I'm beating you by at least 5 strokes.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
We'll be back interviewing the winner.
After 2 holes, I'm beating you.
No.
We're
tied.
You just double bogeyed the second
tied.
hole. Tied at 6 each.
What'd you do on the first one?
Bogeyed. You double bogeyed in this one. Thought you were a professional.
I am.
Notice you don't see a blue ball there. It's because I got a hole-in-one right there for the tie. So at the end of 9, halfway through, beating Suzi by 1. Falling apart here towards the end.
You're going down.
Hole number 10. Blues have to go swimming in the waterfall. Notice you don't see any blue balls there because I got a hole-in-one. Are you nervous at all?
Yeah, I'm pretty much done so.
That bomb.
Huh?
I may have beat you in miniature golf, but you seem to be hitting the ball better than I am today. Ooh, very good.
Oh, that fly keeps flying on
Hey,
your
what's
head.
your name, buddy? You don't know. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hey,
You're cool.
you are cool. Oh, your nose is like real soft.
Aw.
I don't know. I don't have anything to offer him, so I don't think I'm as appealing.
Those wild cows?
No, they're fenced in. Ooh,
Smells great, man. That guy eating up the storm. Better eat quick, the bird's gonna eat your food. Oh wow, that one's ready to be milked. Look how big his others are. Or her, I should say, right? That one too. Oh, look at them. They're all ready to...
it's over on that other side. Well,
For your birthday, I'm gonna buy you a cow.
okay.
A big old one that's pregnant. That stinks.
The pregnant ones weren't too bad.
No,
It was the other ones that are getting milked.
they're gonna drop you a donkey. They were gonna ask like a donkey.
I would like to have a donkey.
Oh.
Oh.
Sue's almost got in a fight with a dangerous family.
Tied.
You just double bogey.
We're
Second
tied.
hole. Tied. 6 each.
What'd you do?
Notice you don't see a blue ball there. It's because I got a hole-in-one right there. Falling apart here towards the end.
You're going down.
Because I got a hole-in-one. I gotta drop you a donkey. They were gonna ask like a donkey.
I would like to have a donkey.
The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.